Fix controller lag in Tainted Grail, the Fall of Avalon. Are you frustrated because your controller keeps responding late, making gameplay difficult and ruining your experience? This usually happens because of connection issues, outdated controller drivers, or conflicts between the game settings and your input device. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to tweak hidden settings, reinstall drivers, or change system files, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes controller lag quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. First, we'll check and update your controller drivers to ensure smooth communication with your PC. Then adjust the in-game input settings to match your device perfectly. And finally, optimize connection settings to reduce any delay between your controller and the game. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your game and save files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix every lag issue with your controller, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy Tainted Grail, the Fall of Avalon with smooth, responsive controls without any frustrating delays.